Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your element slide into your funnel from the left side or the right side. Okay, so let's say this is our funnel page, and let's say I want to make this image slide in from the right. Right, so what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to go ahead and add a raw HTML element right below my image. So on your editor, just scroll down at the very bottom, drag and drop the raw HTML beneath the element that you want to animate. Then you're going to click here and edit code, and we're going to copy paste the code here. So I'm going to refer back to my document where I have all my codes here. And this is the animation that I want to use, slide in from right. And this works for text elements, images, or buttons. So I'm going to go ahead and copy paste this code. And let's go back to our editor, and over here, I'm going to paste the code. All right, so what are we doing here? We're telling system that there's this element here, make it light in right, and make it last 5 seconds, right? So it's going to take 5 seconds, and it's going to move in about 40 pixels to the right. Okay, click save, and what you need to do now is you need to specify which element. So because you want to move this image, we're going to go ahead and take the ID of this image. So you just click on the image and then scroll down at the very bottom. You'll find your ID attribute. You click on it and go back to your code and update your element ID here. So you're going to remove this one, hashtag image ID. There we go. Now we have already specified, system knows what element has to have this animation. We're going to save it and we're going to test it out. There we go. Let me just save it and preview it so you can see better how this works. All right, there we go. Beautiful. So I hope you like this animation, and I hope you use it in your funnels. If you want access to my document, which has over 30 animation codes that I personally use in my funnels, the link to access the document is in the comments below and also in the caption. So make sure you check it out, and make sure you also like and subscribe to my channel so that you can watch my next videos.